girl Fatima Maya, and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply my lace closure wigs. Before I get into the video, definitely subscribe to my channel, and also all the information to the hair and products I use will be in the description box down below. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So my hair is in 3 braids currently. I washed and conditioned and blow dried my hair last night. So I just kept it in put in these 3 braids because I didn't want it to get all tangled up and stuff. So I'm gonna take these down and I'm going to cornrow my hair. Now, I'm not the best corn roller, okay? I'm not the best braider, okay? I'm not even a good braider, to be honest, but they get the job done, you know? They get the job done. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. Just gonna brush this stuff out. All good to go. So I'm going to braid my hair straight back in cornrows. I'm gonna do probably 2, 4, 6. It's probably gonna be 7 cornrows. So I'm just gonna braid them all the way going straight back. I do have my little comb here to help me part my sections. And y'all, I used to ask my mama to cornrow my hair, but I've been like doing it myself now because for one, I'm a grown woman. I should be able to cornrow my own hair. I'm probably not gonna braid my full head of hair on camera, y'all, because I'm really not that great and I don't want y'all to see me struggling. I just do it the best I can, and usually it'd be good enough. You know what? I already don't like it. Redo. It's not a braid tutorial or anything like that. You just got to get the job done, okay? Also, if you struggle at braiding like I do, then make sure you blow dry your hair first because it makes it a lot easier. Before I blow dry my hair, I used TGIN Daily Moisturizer and also Tresemme Heat Protectant. You always want to use a heat protectant when you're blow drying your hair. Always. If you guys want to see like a how I prep my hair before I put on my wigs video, then you should definitely like this video or leave a comment down below. Alright, so my hair is in the braids, and I actually ended up doing 6 braids instead of 7 because I remembered I want a part down the middle because my wig is parted down the middle. So, and I don't know how to braid small. I mean, if I'm not a good braider, of course I don't braid small. So, yeah, but if you can braid yours smaller and get like 8 braids in, then do that, or 10 braids, do that. Because the smaller the braids, the flatter your wig is gonna be. But this is okay for me, you know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna flip them up as I put my wig cap on so that it just helps it be flatter that way. So, okay, so then I am going to push the wig cap back, which will also push my real hair back. But because this is a closure, am I sweating? I hope not. Ignore my sweat stains if I got them because I'm hot, okay? But I'm going to lay down my little sideburns here. I'm just gonna swoop them a little bit, and I'm also going to just push my edges back with this Got To Be glue, gel, whatever. So for the top, I'm just gonna push it back because that's where the wig is gonna go. And here, I'm gonna swoop them down a little bit, swoop them a little bit. It's just in case they're seen, they look good. So the wig, I've already worn it before. Y'all have seen it in some of my recent videos, but this is her. She is a 20 inch deep wave wig, and of course I've washed her. She's freshly washed and conditioned, and she is a 5x5 lace closure. Okay, this is what we're working with. So I'm just going to tint it. So the way I tint my legs is with my Got To Be hairspray and my loose Fenty Beauty powder. This is in the shade Nutmeg. So I'm gonna just spray hairspray there all over. Then I'm gonna take my brush and just start patting it in. So that's how I tint my lace. I'm just gonna pat this. You definitely wanna make sure you get it on the edges. That's the most important part. And I use loose powder because I just feel like it's like sinks into the lace a little bit better than anything else. And also it's not super cakey like how foundation or concealer would be. So that's why I use loose powder to do this. Okay, so there you go. The lace is tinted. Now that I'm done applying the powder, I'm just going to spray it one more time a little far away with the hairspray just to make sure it's set, it's in there. A little more about the hair is that it is from Tinashe hair and it is a 180% density. The lace is a 5x5 lace. Also, when I first got the wig, which was like just a couple weeks ago, I did bleach the knots because they just needed a little help. But I have not plucked this wig at all. It is the same way it came in the box and it looked really, really nice, so I didn't pluck it at all, but I did bleach the knots. And also it is 20 inches. I don't know if I said that. Oh, and I did give it a haircut. I gave it a little bit of some layers because it was just, I don't know, it wasn't giving what I wanted to give. So I gave it a little bit of layers and I cut off a little bit, but yeah, for the most part, it is pretty much how it came in the box. Also, online when I ordered it, it said it was an HD lace, which I'm not a whiz on the lace and the different kinds of lace, so I'm not really sure. But I can see through it, but I think that's just because of the plucking. But I don't know. I don't think it's an HD lace if I had to tint it, you know, because it was looking a little crazy when I first put it on. So I was like, no, this needs to be tinted. But if it was an HD lace, I feel like that's more of a transparent kind of lace. So I don't think this is an HD lace, but it is something that you can work with. There is one clip in the back on the center, and then there are 2 front clips. If you don't need to put in the front clips, I would say don't put them in. Like if you're not gonna be doing a lot of moving around and stuff, then don't put the front clips in because they kind of like pull at your hair. It can really cause a little bit of damage if you use the front clips, but I'm gonna use the front clips because I need my wig. I just like it to feel secured. If you don't want to use the front clips, I would suggest sewing on a band if you just want it to feel more secure. If not, you can really just pop a bobby pin on the side, a bobby pin on this side, and go about your day. So, on to applying the wig. Now, because I am using the front clips, I am going to push the wig cap back a bit, just so my front clips can get up under there. So the wig cap is really not even really needed, but I just use it to keep my hair together. So I'm going to go in with one clip at a time, or actually both at a time. So I'm going to just pull it forward a bit and slide the clips in there. I put the front clips in first because I don't want the back to be pulling on my stuff as I put the front clips in. And then I go back and pop in my back clip. All right, so sorry if I'm like not looking at the camera, by the way. My mirror's right here. I'm sorry. I just have to see what I'm doing. So to actually apply my wig, I am using the Bed Head Hard Head Hairspray. This is the Extreme Hold number 5. So I spray this onto my hairline, wherever I'm gonna apply the wig, and then I push it down and then I blow dry it. And now my blow dryer is gonna be on a cool setting because whenever I use the hot or the warm one, it just always turns white. So that's not a good look. So I just use the cool setting. That's the first blow dry. I do it for about 20 seconds and then I move on to the sides, and it's not going to be completely glued down after the first blow dry because I just go in multiple times and do it, to be honest. So I'm going to just move on to the sides. After blow drying for about 30 seconds on that side, I go in and blow dry with the comb and I push it into my scalp as I'm blow drying. Now that I have blow dried the wig down and it's all hairsprayed down, I'm going to take my comb. So I'm just going to spray some water on the little teeth part here. So now I'm going to shake it off so it's not like dripping wet. So I'm going to go in with this and I'm just going to comb the hairspray out. And it can sometimes be kind of hard, so you just want to make sure you're like holding your lace down while you're combing the hairspray out of the hair. So now I'm gonna get some edges going here, some little swoop action. But before I do that, I'm just making sure my part is exactly where I want it to be. So some of these I have cut and some of them are a little longer. So I don't cut them super short and I don't want all of them to be super short. So some of them I like to be a little longer just so that it blends better into the rest of the hair. So I'm gonna take my edge brush and I'm gonna spray hairspray on it and then get to work. For this part, it's a little more hard to explain, so you kind of just have to watch and see what I do. Because sometimes I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm gonna be honest with you. But yeah, you get to swooping and they get swooped. They get swooped. I just continue to spray my brush with hairspray, and that's the edge to me. Sometimes I spray the rest of the hair with hairspray just to like keep it out of the way. And then I take my satin scarf and I'm going to tie this and I place it right on my hairline. I let that sit in my hair for about 20 to 30 minutes, really however long it takes me to do my makeup or whatever else I want to do, walk around, I don't know. But it at least sits for about 20 minutes just to let everything melt. Okay, y'all, I am back and it is now time to take off this scarf. So I did just do my makeup, so I am going to go in with my bronzer brush and just touch up my hairline a little bit with the bronzer brush. Just add a little bit of the bronzer, just whatever's on my brush. I'm not adding any more product, just blending it into the hairline and where the scarf was. And that's the completed look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this wig application video. This is definitely going to be my go-to for the summertime. So if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to your girl's channel, okay, so you can see more videos from me, and also hit the bell notification so you don't miss my next video. So I hope you guys have a great day or night, whatever time you're watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.